Good morning children and welcome to this video. In today's video, we would be doing the first worksheet of the chapter Visualizing Solid Shapes. But before that, let's recap a few things. Solids. Solids are three-dimensional shapes having height, weight and depth. For example, a cube, a cuboid and a square pyramid. These shapes have attributes like faces, vertices and edges that describe them. For example, let's take a cube. The individual flat surfaces of a solid is called its face. So these are the various faces of the cube. One is at the back, other is at the bottom and one is at the right too. The line segment where two faces meet is called an edge. So let's consider these two faces. As they are meeting along this line, so this is an edge. Similarly, these are the other edges. A point where three or more edges meet is called a vertex. So these corners are the various vertices of the cube. So let's start the first worksheet of chapter number 14. Coming to the first question. The question says, consider the pyramid A, B, C, D, E. Its base is a square B, C, D, E. Find out how many more faces does it have and what is the shape of its other faces. So this is the solid they are actually talking about in the question. As you can see that its base is a square and on the top it is of the shape of a pyramid. So this is known as a square pyramid. So they have already talked about the base, that its base is a square whose name is BCDE. Now the question is, how many other faces does it have? So leaving aside the base, how many faces does it have? Let's count it. First, second face, third face and the fourth face. So it has four other faces leaving aside the square base. And the next question is, what is the shape of each of its faces? So as you can see, these faces are three-sided, they are triangular in shape. So let's write down the solution. It has four more faces. And the next part is, what is the shape of the other faces? So other faces are triangular in shape. Triangular in shape. The second question is related to the first one. They are saying we have to name the vertices, edges and faces of this solid, of this square pyramid. Now as you know, the vertices are the corners, where they are the points or the corners where three or more edges they meet. So what are the various points that you can see? A, comma B, comma C, comma D, comma E. So these are the names of the various vertices of this square pyramid. The next part is edges. What are the edges? The edges are the line segments where two faces they meet. So as you can see, the various edges would be starting from the top vertex. The first edge is AB. So let's name it as AB. The next is A to C, that is AC. The third is A to D, that is AD. The fourth is A to E, that is AE. Now let's talk about the edges of the square base. So the edge is BC, CD, DE and BE. So these are the names of the various edges of this square pyramid. The last part is we have to name the faces. The faces, as you know, these are the all faces of the square pyramid. Four on the top and one at the square face at the bottom. So the name would be A, B, E A, B, E. The next one would be A, C, B. Then we have A, D, E. Then we have A, C, D. So these were the four triangular faces and one square face whose name is B, C, D, E. Coming to question number 3, how many vertices, edges and faces will a cuboid have and what is the shape of its faces? So I'm having this cuboid in my hand. This is a cuboid as you can see. So the first they are talking about the number of vertices. Vertices means the corners. These points where 3 or more edges they meet. So let's count the number of vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top and 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom. So the number of vertices are 4 plus 4, that is 8. So number of vertices are 8. Now let's count the edges. Edges is where two faces they meet. This line segment is known as the edge. So let's count the edges again. 1, 2, 3, 4 at the top. Similarly 5, 6, 7 and 8 at the bottom. And then 9, 10, 11 and 12. So a cuboid has 12 edges. Now the faces. So one face at the top and one face at the bottom, 2 faces. One in the front and one at the back, 4 faces. One at the right and one at the left, that is 6 faces. Now the next part of the question is what is the shape of its faces? So as you can see, the faces of the cuboid are rectangular in shape. So we'll say the shape of its faces is rectangular. Coming to question number 4, the question says how many faces, edges and vertices does this have? And name the faces, vertices and edges, and we also have to tell the faces which are triangular in shape and which are square in shape. So what is given to us is a cube. A cube is surmounted by a pyramid. That means a pyramid is placed on top of a cube. So this is the solid that we actually have in this question. So we have to count the number of faces, vertices and edges. So let's count the faces first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangular faces on the top. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 at the bottom, 9. So it has 9 faces. Now let's count the vertices. Vertices means the corners. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 vertices are there. Now we are left with the edges. So let's count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly 9, 10, 11, 12 and then 13, 14, 15 and 16. So 16 edges are there in this solid. So let's write it down. Number of faces were 9. Number of vertices were also 9 and number of edges were 16. Now the next part of the question is name its, we have to give the name of the various faces, edges and vertices, and also as you have seen that some faces are triangular in shape and some faces are square in shape. So we have to name them separately. So we have made 2 categories. One is triangular faces. The name of the triangular faces we would write separately and the name of the square faces we would write separately. So see, these are on the top. The pyramid, the faces of the pyramid, they are triangular in shape. So let's name them starting from the top. First face is OAB. So let's write it down. OAB. The second face is OBC. OBC. The third face is OCD. OCD. And fourth face at the back is OAD. OAD. Now we have to name the square faces. So the square faces are, let's start from the side face, AEFB. AEFB. Then the bottom face, EFGH. EFGH. Then again the face on the right hand side is DHGC. DHGC. AEHD. AEHD. Similarly, one in the front, that is BFGC. BFGC. So you can see we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 triangular faces, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square faces. So it totals up to 9 faces.